Hey guys, welcome back to Kiara DIY What? And I'm in a costume. I know. But I have a Dollar Tree DIY that you are going to love for the Halloween season. So today I'm going to go over a modern Halloween decor tutorial. So I have a few projects that I've packed into one video, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys because I, as you can see, am excited for Halloween. I already picked out my costume. I'm so excited. This is a Dollar Tree collab with Clueless Mama D. And you know what? I think I'll let her tell you more.
It's not just Kiara who's lost her mind wearing costumes in the summer. I'm doing it too. I'm Drea with Clueless Mama D. After you're done watching Kiara's awesome video, make sure you check out the description and check out what I made for Modern Halloween Decor. I'm not even fully done it as I'm talking to you right now because you know how Ben are. Mickey is so needy. I know it's gonna be awesome. It's all Dollar Tree, all affordable. And then again, after you're done watching her video, you and we will be chatting some more as we create fabulous crafts over on my channel. See you later.
Okay guys, let's get started. I am again using burlap from burlapfabric.com. The link will be in the description box and the color is below. For this part, I decided to use a yard of burlap and cut 12 strips, 8 inches each. So you'll want to take the stem out of the pumpkin before you start gluing. Then once you have all the strips cut out, you'll want to start gluing. You can either start gluing from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. It doesn't matter, as long as you make sure you pull tightly as you are gluing so that it kind of like molds into the grooves of the pumpkin. So as I was going, I kind of overlapped the burlap, as you can see, so it kind of fit into the grooves in the design of the pumpkin. I also made sure to glue the strips at the part of the top of the pumpkin where their stem is, so that once I put the stem back in, it would just easily cover the loose ends of the burlap. You can also find these foam pumpkins at Dollar Tree. They are legit the perfect size for your DIY craft needs. Dollar Tree has them also online, starting at packs of 4, ready for shipping if you are unable to find them in your local store. There you have it. You are all finished covering the pumpkin in burlap. And for this next step, I took the burlap ribbon. I didn't really measure out the ribbon. I just took a strip of the ribbon and I cut it in half. And I left the strips long until I got into the next part. So I didn't really measure with this step. I just took the ribbon and wrapped and cut as I went. I used 8 total strips of ribbon for this part, and I really just kind of took the design how I felt at the moment, and I just wrapped the burlap around the parts of the other burlap where there was maybe a little space or anything. So I just took the burlap around and just made it look cute as an extra piece or accent. You can really just glue the strips around the pumpkin in whatever design that you think looks good to you. I just wanted the burlap ribbon to kind of accent the burlap that was on the bottom. Okay, so go back and grab the stem and some twine and wrap the twine around just to cover the green part of the stem, so that part doesn't really show that much. Make sure you keep the pick on the end so that you can stick it back into the pumpkin once you are done. I had to kind of do a wraparound in one direction and then take it in another direction, just so that I made sure that the burlap actually stayed around. It is a circular kind of pick at the top, so you want to make sure the burlap is going to stay, and that's where I used the glue to hold it in place. I know you're asking about the gnome. Don't be impatient. Coming up soon. I lightly spray painted 6 of these frames. They are 3.5 by 5, and the spray paint color is Chiffon Cream. So the easy or tedious part, whichever you prefer, is painting the house ornament and the letters for the bottom of the window. This part I kind of just did 1 coat of painting because it was enough, and it gave it kind of like a hollow black look. And then on to the letters. These letters have sort of become a unicorn at Dollar Tree. You can find the wooden numbers all the time, but the letters pop in and out, so I grab them whenever I see them. I grabbed these yesterday, and these are kind of slightly different from the previous letters I've had before. So I'm taking the frames and I'm just going to glue them together in a nice design to make a window. You can use whatever glue you like. I used my high temp glue gun because I like how it holds together. Once you are done that, go ahead and glue the house ornament onto the window. Then from there, go ahead and place the lettering however you prefer around the house, on the frame, or whatever you like. So here on camera, the word happy is a little hard to see being black on black, but once it's hanging up or, you know, in a different space, it looks great. Yep, there's a gnome again, and lucky for you, that's what we are going into next. So I took a miniature scarecrow from Dollar Tree and I took off all the fixings and the hat and the string to prepare to make this into a Halloween gnome. I took some leftover black velvet fabric that I had from Joann Fabric and I cut that into 2 separate pieces and made them into 2 large triangles to make for the hat. Both pieces should be inside out, meaning the velvet side should be touching, and from there you just want to add some glue to one side and then place the other triangle on top where the glue is with the velvet side still touching. Try on the hat, make sure you like how it's placed, and from there I added a little orange bead from Dollar Tree on the end. Take a small piece of your Faux Fur. It could be any shade, just make sure the hair is long, and you want to just add some glue and add that to the body, making sure it comes up rather high. Give the little guy a nose, which is also a wooden bead from Dollar Tree that I spray painted the same color as the frames. And there you go. Fluff out the fur, make it look good, bring the hat down, and you're all set. There you go. You have a Halloween gnome to add to your modern Halloween decor. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so that you're notified each week that I upload a video. And make sure you comment down below and tell me what you think your costume is going to be this Halloween season. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, click this video right here so that you can watch my latest tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you next week.